Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your COINDCX account. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch or open a web browser and make sure that you're inside the COINDCX main homepage. Once you are on the main homepage, all you need to do is go to the top right corner and mouse over to your profile picture. Now, in the pop-up, click on Logout. But remember that you must enter your credentials whenever you log back into your account, so make sure you have a hold of your password and your email address for COINDCX. To log out, click Log Out, and then you will be redirected to the login page. So, that's how you can easily log out or sign out of COINDCX within a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.